Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix called you need permission to perform this action. It's a very simple process. First, you need to open your file explorer, go for this PC, and if your problem is happening with this C drive or any of your folder, just simply click on the right mouse button and then click for properties. After that, you need to open security option over here, and then here you need to click on edit, and then you need to click on add. And after that, here you can simply type advanced, and you can simply click on the find now option. And here you need to check in the everyone option. Here you can see, simply click on OK. And now your everyone is selected, click OK. And now as you can see in your group or username, you get the everyone option. So check it and click on full control. Click apply. Yes, continue. After, you just need to give restart your PC, and then this problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.